Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to share multiple opportunities with you. So make sure to watch the complete video so that you can get a proper idea regarding the hiring process and all the information related to the hiring. So do watch the complete video. But before proceeding further to the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys please make sure to subscribe. It will really motivate me to make more such content for you, and definitely that channel the content will be helpful for you, so do subscribe and make sure to join our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself, so make sure to join. Well, let's come to our first opportunity, so that is Hack with Infi. So you all must be aware of it. If not, then let's discuss about it. So Hack with Infi is a coding competition for engineering students graduating in the year 2023, 2024 and 2025 across India. So this program is coding competition is from Infosys. Basically, the program is especially designed to inculcate the culture of rapid problem solving and innovative thinking early in academic life. So it provides a perfect stepping stone for students to explore their interest in programming and an opportunity to compete and win exciting prizes. Also, the top performers will be entitled to cash prize worth rupees 3,50,000, chance to work with Infosys, paid internship opportunities, and a chance to become our campus investors. So here, let's have a look on the eligibility. So you need BE, BTech, ME, MTech students they need, and they should be from batch 23, 24 and 25. Coming to the competition, so there will be two rounds. Prizes is already specified. So Hack with Infi comprises of two rounds, with round one as an individual online test and a grand finale. So for more details, they have provided the terms and conditions of Hack with Infi here, so you can just refer it. So here they have provided you all the information, right? So if you are interested about it, you can see it is a coding competition for engineering students from 23, 24 and 25 batch, and the program is all about to to inculcate the problem solving skills and all. Just go through it. So they have mentioned the prizes as well, the winner, first runner up, second runner up. Some terms and conditions are also there, that participants are deemed to accept these terms and conditions. Like the participants shall be of age 18 years or older at the day they make an entry registration and must be a resident of India. Eligibility is provided here. Registration process also given, that each participant shall participate to a single Hack with Infi account. Please note that the company in its sole discretion may disqualify any participant. Participation is in the event is free and no registration fees will be charged. Registration to Hack with Infi is open through InfiTQ, the Infosys learning and engagement platform for engineering students in India. And by registering for this, the participant agrees to allow Infosys to retrieve past participant information. Also, they have specified that Hack with Info will be conducted in two rounds. Round 1 is going to be on March 6, 7 and 8, 2022. This will be an online individual participation round on Infosys assessment platform. Final round, that will be from July 1 to July 4, 2022. This is going to be a 48-hour hackathon among teams and the grand finale. The top 100 participants from round 1 will compete in the 4-day grand finale in July 2022. Also, the finalists will also get an opportunity for a pre-placement interview and an internship for the niche technical roles at Infosys. Round 1 for Hack with Infi will be hosted on the Infosys assessment platform. Participants who provided incomplete, false, erroneous, fraudulent, forged, and tampered information will not be accepted and will be disqualified. For round 1 also they have provided the information. Also, Hack with Infi participants who have also opted for Infosys certification advantage round should only participate in the latter, not in Hack with Infi round 1, as the advantage round performance will determine their selection for the final round of Hack with Infi. So certain other things have also been provided, that all submission for round 1 shall be evaluated by the judging panel on the following parameters. Number first, the number of test cases that the code passes and code efficiency. Marks are assigned to the questions based on the difficulty levels and the solution will be evaluated accordingly. Plagiarism is not encouraged and there shall be negative marking for plagiarism. Other points are also there, so you can just refer them to get a proper understanding. You can see so many points are there. So just refer them and just go through them to get a proper idea. So this is our first opportunity from Infosys for 23, 24 and 25 batch. Now let's talk about our next opportunity. Also, they have given you like this sample test as well, so in case you want to try out like what is the label and all, so they have provided a sample test to understand the test pattern and the environment, right? So you can just refer it. Here is our next opportunity. So this opportunity on is provided on the TCS ION Hub. So this is for persistent system for the role of software engineer. It has been provided here 2 days ago, and here you can see the salary they have specified. Job summary is there that we are looking for a passionate software engineer to design, develop, and install software solution with top software engineer skills for today's job market: computer programming and coding, software development, object-oriented design, software testing and debugging, problem solving and logical thinking. Okay. Written and verbal communication, teamwork, role of software engineer, build high quality, innovative, and fully performing software that complies with coding standard and technical design to ensure that development follows key scientific and engineering principles. Responsibilities of software engineer: execute full software development lifecycle, strong programming fundamentals and proficiency in software engineering tools, analyze user requirements, write well-designed testable code, write, define and test code, research, design and write new software programs, develop existing programs by analyzing and identifying areas for modification, integrate existing software products and get incompatible platforms to work together. Coming to the basic qualification, so you need Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering, Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronics Engineering is also eligible. Electronics and Communication Engineering is eligible. Information Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, right? So Electronics and Communication Engineering, so you can just refer it. So they are eligible. And preferred qualification is like you should be having a paid internship for 6 months. IT circuit branches only from 2022. So this opportunity is just for 2022 batch, right? So prefer the candidates to be from Maharashtra or candidates who can move to Pune at later stage, right? So now you all must be having doubts. So is it required to have a to give the NQT for this opportunity? Well, no. In case you have given, then for sure your chances to get shortlisted for further rounds will be sort of easy. Otherwise, it's not mandatory. You can just simply apply for this opportunity, right? So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe our channel, and do join our Telegram family as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.